Leggett, Moscow, Tarkington Prairie, Sano, Romeo, and Rye. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Montgomery, southwestern Liberty, and northeastern Harris counties. At 12:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Plum Grove, Oregon, 11 miles northwest of Dayton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Northern Liberty, Dayton, Kingwood, Plum Grove, Kennewick, Dayton Lakes, Lake Houston, and northeastern Atascocita. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is your NOAA weather radio station KGG68, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in League City, Texas. Noon observation.
Here we go.
National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Houston, or near Kingwood, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include southwestern Liberty, Dayton, Kingwood, Plum Grove, and Lake Houston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.